What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Speaker of English, your daily English practice partner. Please sit down, make yourself comfortable. This is a place for listening and practice, a place for learning, a place to feel calm with English. My name is Daniel. I am here with my friend, Mia. Hello, Mia.
Hi, Daniel. Hello, everyone. It's good to be here.
It is good to have you here, listener. Thank you for being here with us today.
Yes, thank you. You can listen, you can relax. There's no test, no pressure. Just English. Slowly.
If you enjoy practicing English with us, please help our channel grow. Hit that subscribe button.
And give this video a like. It helps more learners find our friendly community and make more podcasts for you. But only if you want to. No problem if you are not ready. Thank you so much. So, Daniel, what is our topic today? I am curious.
Today, we talk about something beautiful, something we all know. We talk about music, our favorite music.
Oh, nice. I like that topic very much.
Me too. I think everyone all over the world listens to music. In the car, at home, while walking. It is a beautiful thing to talk about. In English, talking about music is not difficult. It is easy and fun. We use very simple words, very simple sentences. Today, we use only one sentence pattern. Only one. That is all.
One sentence. That sounds good for me. Simple is good for me.
For all of us. So let's just talk like friends. Mia, do you have a favorite music? A favorite type of music?
Yes. I like calm music. Music that is slow and quiet.
You like calm music. That is a very good sentence. I like calm music. It is clear. It is perfect. Can you say more? Why do you like calm music? What is the reason?
Why? I like calm music because it is peaceful. It is good for my mind. When I listen, my thoughts become slow, quiet.
That's wonderful. I like calm music because it is peaceful. This is a perfect thing to say. You tell the music, and then you tell the reason. I like type of music because it is reason. This is our sentence today, this one pattern.
I like music because it is reason. I see. So the music goes here and the reason goes here.
Exactly. Let's say it together, listener, in your mind or quietly if you are alone. Just try. I like calm music because it is peaceful. I like calm music because it is peaceful. There is no hurry. You can pause this and try. We will wait.
I like calm music because it is peaceful. It feels good to say.
It does feel good. Now, Mia, can you try another one? A different type of music. Use the same sentence, but change the music.
Okay, let me think. I like pop music. Yes, pop music.
Okay, good. I like pop music. And why? What is the reason?
I like pop music because it is happy. The songs are happy. Is that correct? It is happy?
You can say it is happy. Many people say that. It is a correct thing to say. You can also say it makes me happy. Both are correct. I like pop music because it makes me happy. Same idea.
Oh, I like pop music because it makes me happy. That feels a little different.
It's just another way. Your way was good too. That is very common. It is happy is a great answer. Now, listener, it is your turn. Just think. Do not speak yet. Just think. What music do you like? Think of one word for music. Calm, pop, rock, piano, guitar, music from your country. Any word is a good word. I like music. Hold that word in your mind. Let's do more examples together. We will say many examples. You just listen. I will start. I like jazz music because it is interesting. The sounds are different. I like that.
Jazz. I like movie music. Music from films, because it is powerful. It tells a story.
Oh, nice. Movie music, film scores. I like that too. My friend, he likes rock music because it is strong. It has energy.
My sister, she loves dance music because it is fun. She dances in her room.
Perfect. We are only using one simple sentence, but we can talk about many, many things. Can you think of a reason for your music? Maybe because it is beautiful, or because it is relaxing, or because it is exciting. Maybe because it is sad. Sometimes we like sad music. Any reason is a good reason. Your reason is the best reason.
Yes, my friend likes classical music because it is beautiful, like a painting for your ears.
A painting for your ears. I like that, Mia. Sometimes we say I love instead of I like. It's a little stronger, but it's the same idea, the same pattern. For example, I love piano music because it is relaxing, one note at a time, very peaceful.
I see. So I love or I like. Both are okay. Daniel, what about different times of day? I listen to different music in the morning and in the evening.
Ah, that is a very good idea. So we can add a little more. We can say when we listen. For example, in the morning, I like calm music because I am tired. That is true for me. I need calm in the morning.
Yes, me too. In the evening, I like jazz music because it is perfect for cooking. It makes cooking nice.
I love that. For cooking, daily life. To you, listener, think about your day, your normal day. Do you listen to music when you work? When I work, I like quiet music because it helps me think. Do you listen when you exercise? When I exercise, I like fast music because it gives me energy. You can change the situation. The sentence is your friend. The pattern stays the same.
Or in the car. When I drive, I like pop music because the time is fast. The time goes fast.
Yes, or maybe on the train. When I'm on the train, I like my favorite songs because the world is interesting. You see, we are just talking about life with one simple pattern. Let me say it again for you, listener. The pattern is, I like type of music because it is reason, or because it makes me feeling. We say the music, we say the reason. That is all. 3 parts.
When I like, because. I understand.
Good. Now, let's try a little mistake. This is important. Mia, tell me about music for studying.
Okay. I like no music for studying because it is quiet.
That's a great answer, a true answer. But let's say it in a different way, a more common way. We can say, when I study, I like silence because it helps me concentrate. Or, I prefer silence. But your idea was correct. The meaning was perfect. That is the most important thing.
So my meaning was okay?
Your meaning was perfect. Communication is about meaning, not perfect grammar. First, we share the idea. That is a success. Then, later, we learn new ways to say it. I prefer silence is another good phrase, but I like no music tells me your idea. I understand you. That is a win.
Okay, that feels good.
It should feel good. To you, listener, please remember this. If you say, I like no music, your friend will understand you. They will say, ah, you like silence. This is how conversation works. It's okay. We are all learning together. Now, let's do a longer practice. Just us talking, you listen. We will use our pattern many times.
Daniel, what music do you like on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I like old blues music because it is soft and a little sad. It matches the rain. What about you?
On a rainy day, I like listening to the rain. But also, I like piano music because the sound is like water.
Beautiful. I like that. What about music for a party, if you have a party?
For a party, I like dance music because everyone is happy, everyone can dance.
Yes. For a big dinner with family, I like traditional music from my country because it feels like home.
Oh, that's nice. When I am sad, I like my favorite singer because her voice is a friend.
That is a beautiful reason, because her voice is a friend. That is a beautiful reason, because her voice is a friend. That is a perfect reason. You see, listener, there are no wrong reasons. Your reason is personal. It is true for you. Now, let's be very quiet for a moment. This is for you. Think about your week. When did you listen to music? Maybe yesterday. Maybe today. What was the situation? Were you cleaning? Walking? Waiting for a bus? Think of that situation. Now, make a small sentence in your mind. Use our pattern. When I was, activity, I liked, music, because. Try it. Just in your mind, no sound. We will wait.
It's okay if it's not perfect. The thought is practice.
Yes, the thought is the beginning of speaking. Now, a small practice moment. Just for you, listener. No one is listening. It is only for you. Slow, clear, reassuring. We will do it step by step. First, think of a singer or a band, one you know. Maybe Taylor Swift, maybe the Beatles, maybe a singer from your country. Any singer. Good. Now, think of one reason. Why do you like this singer? Is the voice good? Are the words beautiful? Is the music fun? Okay.
Don't hurry. There's no hurry.
Now, try to say it. Very quietly. Or just move your lips. I like singer's name because the music is good. Or because her voice is beautiful. Or because his songs tell a story. Say it one time. In your room, in your car, in your mind. It is okay. It is practice.
Maybe you like the singer because the music makes you remember something happy. That's a good reason too.
Good. Very good. If you made a sound, that is brave. If you only thought it, that is also brave. This is your practice, your way. If you made a mistake with a word, that's okay. The words do not need to be perfect. Your idea is important. Sharing is important. Speaking is a gift you give to yourself, not a test.
We are all learning together, every day.
Yes. So today we talked about favorite music, a simple, happy topic. We used one sentence to share our ideas. This is how you speak English. One small idea at a time. One small pattern, you learn it. You use it, then you learn another. Slowly. Gently.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you for your courage. My small homework for you is this. Try to say your sentence one time today, to yourself in the mirror, or to a pet, or to a friend if you feel brave. Just one time. I like music because. That is all. No more.
Or you can write it down. Writing is also practice. You can write it in the comments for us. We would love to know. What music do you like? You can write, I like music, or I like because. We will read every comment. We will say hello to you there.
Your English is beautiful because it is yours. Practice slowly. There is a long road, but every step is good. Every word is progress.
We will be here again next time on Speaker of English with another simple topic, another simple pattern. I think that is all.
Yes.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for your time.
It was nice talking about favorite music. Please remember to subscribe.
And give a like.
It helps us very much.
We are Speaker of English.
I am Mia.
And I am Daniel.
Have a calm day.
Until then, listen to some music you love and remember your sentence. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.